Okay, this is part of the IRO Rock off-road kit. This is a double shear track bar bracket. What they do with this is it goes in and it bolts to the original location, and then you use the hole that's in the bracket to locate and drill a hole through the factory bracket for reinforcement. I would just say it's a thick piece of material. Go slow, go easy, lots of cutting oil, and don't do what I do and break a drill bit off in the middle of it and get to spend the next hour and a half extracting a broken drill bit. So this comes up in here, bolt goes from the inside through. Then on the bottom we have the large bolt that comes up through the bracket and up above, and you see that that's going to block the other bracket. For this Jeep we had to do something slightly different than factory. Normally they use a 1/2 inch bolt for this. This Jeep, this bracket had already been drilled out for a larger bolt, and so we had to drill out the bracket correspondingly to match. Given this is something that is going to be holding steering in place, kind of a safety item, and shouldn't really have any reason to need to come apart, applying a little high strength thread locker back here as we bolt this stuff up. Washer. And IRO calls for 37 foot-pounds on the 3/8 bolt and 85 on the 1/2 inch bolt. Always grade 8 hardware for everything in your steering.